I'm the third owner of Rick's. I've been coming to Jamaica since 1977. I'm really a Jamaican. My heart and soul is here. I've owned Rick's since 1999, and Rick's has been an institution in Jamaica for over 50 years. We unite people from all corners of the globe. The amount of tourists that we get each year is growing. I'm proud to announce, especially for tourism, we served 394,000 people in 2024. There's an old saying, I think we made it up, but the saying goes like this: if you've not been to Rick's Cafe, you have not been to Jamaica. We plan to continue our stewardship in Jamaica, supporting the tourist industry, and of course our West neighbors and the environment. Over the years, we've given back to Jamaica whenever we've could, but I want to announce something tonight that we're very proud of. We have just formed the Rick's Children and Community Foundation. Now, with 394,000 people coming to Rick's, I have a feeling that we're going to be able to generate some significant dollars that we can contribute back into the community. Done a lot, but we want to do more.
That's asked me, the first thing that the media asks me is what's new, what's different, what's special. Tell us all about it in Jamaica. And so part of my job as a minister is literally to mine newness, to mine freshness, to mine different exciting things that enable people to want to come to Destination Jamaica. And Steve Elman had some ideas, new ideas that would add value and bring more people to Jamaica. So you told me you had 394,000 last year? Well, this is a year that you're going to thrive. And so I want to tell you that you promised me tonight 500,000 visitors coming to Rick's Cafe with Red Stripe for Jamaica. And let's have that drink right now. I will not finish the speech without. We're gonna have that drink. Rick's Cafe, 500,000 visitors to Jamaica next year. And you know why it's so important? It is so important because he's just established his foundation for the children of Jamaica, and particularly for the children of Negril and Negril area. And so with 500,000 coming next year, I tell him, take only $2 from them. No more than $2. Only $2 on average. And then Elaine?
Yes, sir.
And MP Moreland Wilson, where are you? Yes. Then you will have to visit Steve and have a conversation about the children of Negril and Westmoreland.
We will. You trust me. We will.
And what makes tourism so powerful also, as an instrument for peace, is that it connects people. Because peace is not merely the absence of conflict, but is the presence of connections. And we do it very well. And Rick, you connected last year 394 people right here. You're adding 60,000 more by these statistics, and from my instructions, you're adding 106 more. Not 60, 106 more. To make 500,000. So 500,000 connections that we make when we come to Rick's Cafe. And those connections represent 500 opportunities for artisans to earn, for vendors to earn, for transportation providers to earn, for workers in all categories, for divers to earn, for ordinary Jamaicans who have an idea that can be converted into a material good with a value and a price to come here and to provide that to the 500,000 people who come here. That's what tourism does, and I'm proud to say tonight, thank you very much Red Stripe, and Ritz Cafe for providing those opportunities for Jamaica to earn every day of the week.